In today's video, I'm going to teach you about how the Circle.so API works, tailored specifically for beginners who are venturing into the world of APIs. Whether you're building a community or looking to enhance your current platform with Circle's robust features, understanding how to leverage its API offerings is crucial. Let's begin by discussing the Circle Developer Platform, which aims to bridge your community operations with technological automations and advanced integration capabilities. Circle.so offers a couple of standout services under its business plan and higher, ensuring you have the tools necessary to streamline your community's operations. First up is the Admin API, a powerful toolset available to community administrators. It's particularly designed for creating automations and migration scripts, as well as constructing various administrative integrations. Requests here are admin authenticated, meaning the API is suited for building administrative tools, enabling you to automate and manage tasks efficiently within your community setup. This is a great way for admins to reduce manual work and increase productivity. Next, let's delve into the headless offerings. Now, this API is incredibly flexible for those on the business plan and above, allowing you to integrate Circle features directly into your own website or app. Imagine having discussions, notifications, and events seamlessly woven into your digital environment. This is made possible with three critical components of the headless approach. The Member API acts as a server-side gateway, enabling you to construct member-side experiences in your app or website. Requests made are member authenticated through specific JWT tokens generated with the Auth API, allowing seamless integration of member interactions like posts, events, and more directly on your platform. Speaking of the Auth API, it's essential for authenticating your users with the Member API, making sure every interaction is secure and verified. Consider using the optional Auth SDK for Node.js to give you a head start if you're working within that framework, enhancing both security and efficiency in building your application. Finally, the third gem is the Data API, exclusively available under the Plus platform plan. This special API is a game changer for data-driven strategies. It allows your data team to funnel your community's event streams into your own data warehouse. Thanks to ETL integrations using tools like Airbyte, integrating complex event data becomes straightforward, empowering your analytics team to derive meaningful insights and strategies from community interactions. Each component of the Circle.so API is designed to enrich your community management experience, giving you control, flexibility, and the power to seamlessly integrate with other platforms or custom solutions. By understanding and implementing these APIs, you're well on your way to creating a dynamic, engaging environment for your community. Thanks for joining today's session, and I hope this gives you a solid foundation to start integrating the Circle.so API into your ecosystem.